Hello everyone, knitting big cables. Here are 20 stitches in total, 3 purl stitches, 6 knit, 2 purl, 6 knit and 3 on both side edges purl stitches. So we knit 6 rows, then we change the cables. We already knitted the 6 rows, so we will 6 stitches, so we will exchange 3 by 3, like 3 stitches going on this side and 3 going underneath. So I will show you how to change these stitches. First one, like row number 1, knit first one slip on edge stitch, then 2 purl stitches, and then we have to change the stitches. So we will put these stitches in like that in crochet or in any pin. You can use any pin or a small needle. This one, now these stitches are, you can see, are going on the top, means these stitches are going on the top. From here you can see, from here this side is going underneath, this side stitch is going underneath. So then we will put these stitches on the back side. We put these stitches on the back side, needles are slipping, and then we hold this in one hand, then we knit the 3 stitches. We knit the back 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3, and then we put these stitches back in the knitting in the left hand needle to knit these stitches. So we put back, like that, and then we knit these ones. So you can see this is done. Now 2 purl stitches, I can use one more method to change these stitches. That one, just take off all the stitches and don't move anything, just hold closely and put the 3 stitches in the needle, and then we put these stitches in this needle and then put back in that needle. This is bit easy pattern, but sometimes is bit hard when the stitches are dropped. You have to just hold closely and don't move anything, and now knit all the stitches. So this is another way to change cables. If there are 6 stitches, we change 3 and 3. If 4 stitches, then we change 2 and 2. So just have a look now. These stitches are chained. After 6 rows we have to change again. All the time 3 stitches from the back are going on the front and the front stitches are going on the back, but this time the 3 stitches we put on the back side and then the back stitches we knit. But we can use another thing. We can put 3 stitches on the front and then we can knit. So this one is going this way, so we have to put the first 3 stitches on the back side. So that's the only pattern. It's very nice and easy.